how to delete and clear your call history on mobile phone. Thank you so much for coming back to this channel. My name is K Mirembe, and if it's your very first time, you're most welcome. You're watching Atutaka Solutions, where we share tips and ideas because we believe sharing is caring. We share everything with love regardless of who you are and where you're from. Please request you to consider to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that, and turn on the bell notification for notifying you whenever a new video comes in. Okay, we're just going to go straight away without wasting any time. You just want to go to your call menu, and then you check your missed calls and all calls. So we are here on all calls. All right, so these are the calls so far in the last I don't know how many months or weeks. So there is this option that clear. Okay, clear all recent. You want to be sure. Are you saying that you want to clear everything? Maybe there's a number you haven't saved. You're sure? All right, if you're sure, then just go ahead and click on clear all, and you're good to go. There'll be no more any recent calls, and therefore no call history on your phone. Thank you so much for watching, and please like this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section down below. And till next time, God bless you. Bye bye. Oh, please remember to join this channel by clicking the blue link, the blue join button, sorry, and join the Atutaka family. Bye bye.